Today's dish is perfect for simple dinners, sick days, and everything in between. My dad's
菠菜豆腐湯
Spinach Tofu Soup.
Cheers!
We do have a bit of myth busting to do as we show you how to make this in 20 minutes. First, we'll dive into how to prep the spinach.
我今日用嘅菠菜咧，就係12安士至1磅上下嘅菠菜嚟已經洗乾淨㗎啦。建議大家啦，如果成條咁樣食咧，就麻煩啲嚇。最好咧，我嘅意思就 cut 斷佢喺中間嗱。咁樣食起上嚟咧，就容易食啲啦啊！咁樣啦，滾越同越咁翻開佢啊！豆腐咧就一嚿，呢個係中等硬嘅，又唔係太軟又唔係太硬嗰隻豆腐啊。
First, we'll drain the water from the tofu and remove it from the packaging.
豆腐咧，我通常咧就切開之後，俾啲凍水沖一沖佢，之後去緊原來嗰啲舊嘅水分出去嚇啊！首先咧喺中間咁分開佢嚇。
To cut cubes, we'll start by turning our knife sideways and slicing the tofu in half horizontally.
呢度咧分咗4下。
Next, we'll cut the tofu lengthwise in half, then cut each half again to create 4 equal sections.
呢度咧再分4下。
Finally, we'll cut the tofu horizontally into 5 equal parts.
四方一嚿睇到啊，呢度5嚿，呢度4嚿哦。
If you prefer smaller pieces, you can divide it further, but my dad prefers this larger size, about 1 inch by 1 inch.
四方一嚿嚇。
Interesting. I've heard that spinach and tofu eaten together isn't good because it interacts together negatively. Is that true?
豆腐咧，佢就有話佢有一種物質同啲菠菜係對撞唔係咁啱嘅，但係後來啲專家話冇事冇呢回事，完全可以一齊嘅，咁樣講法。
You might have heard that combining spinach and tofu can lead to kidney stones. The myth is that since kidney stones are commonly formed by calcium oxalate, by combining calcium-rich tofu with oxalate-rich spinach, you'll get kidney stones. But here's the thing, spinach is packed with fiber, potassium, and other nutrients that prevent stone formation. And the calcium in tofu has a similar effect, binding with oxalate in the gut before it can turn into kidney stones. So unless your doctor says otherwise, we can enjoy our spinach and tofu in peace. We'll need about 3 ounces of carrot, so we'll only use half of this piece.
一片片得啦啊！你可以唔俾紅蘿蔔嘅嗱。
My dad's cutting the carrot into 1/4-inch thick slices at an angle.
即係攞個卡拿咁樣，即係做視頻。如果平時食咧，就可以唔俾紅蘿蔔。豬肉咧，我就俾個安士嘅瘦肉，肉眼嚟嘅，好瘦嘅肉。切肉片嗱，片咧就喺中間切開佢先，橫紋切，睇到啦橫紋，一條紋啦，嚟切薄片得啦，切薄片。
We'll slice the pork thinly across the grain to keep it tender. If you slice along the grain, the slices will be tougher to eat. Click the link in our description to learn more about meat grains in lesson 9.3 of our fundamentals library. Next up, we'll marinate the pork.
啲生粉繞佢，咁個好處咧就啲肉片煮熟之後咧，佢就會好滑，嫩滑。如果俾蠔油，啲湯匙嘅蠔油上去，少少胡椒粉。
Add about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder.
呢2個茶匙生粉，水咧就俾個湯匙水上去。將啲水同啲粉攪勻佢。
Mix the marinated ingredients together, then incorporate them into the pork. Kat and I drink a lot of coffee, and we use our espresso machine at least 6 times a day. So here are our top 3 reasons for why we're really excited to partner up with our friends at Trade for this video.
I feel like this was Christmas to our doorstep. The one thing that's always on my grocery shopping list. Coffee. We need more coffee.
Coffee.
But now we got to try fun ones.
Trade partners with mom and pop roasters from small towns all across the US, and they handpick their best coffees for over 435,000 customers to date.
Like I like going to the grocery store and trying new brands. Yeah, that smells good. But I feel like I always see the same coffee places. So that's why this was fun. Plus, one of the reasons I was really excited was that when I was pregnant, I couldn't get decaf whole beans anywhere. They were always ground up.
Yeah.
Another thing I was excited about is when we're at the grocery store, we only get the small bags, okay? And everyone knows you gotta look at the price per unit, and it's expensive. It's expensive. So
it's more eco-friendly.
Most of the companies, if you find the small one, a lot of them had a big option. So you could taste a bunch of different ones, and I could be like, I really like this one. Let's get the bigger version, better for the environment, better for my pocketbook.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Trade.
Trade. Wouldn't trade it for the world.
If you want to try all the coffee you've been missing out on, head to drinktrade.com/mealwithlau to receive your first bag free. That's drinktrade.com/mealwithlau to get your first bag free with any new subscription.
好啦，喺我材料備好之後咧，就開始煮呢個湯啦。首先俾個雞湯落去先，呢罐雞湯係14安士嘅。
如果你冇呢個，但係有雞粉咧，用
雞粉都可以用雞粉雞粉你係俾個茶匙雞粉落去，你可以用咗呢個亦都可以俾啲雞粉上去得㗎，都冇所謂。你中意嘅話。
What other kinds of soup stocks can you use?
你中意用咩湯底就咩湯底啦。我通常就唔會用其他，我就係雞湯就係雞湯。一係你就唔落，就咁水落，加味，加雞粉落去就得。
我覺得唔係幾合適用其他啲味啊，要用啲比較清嘅先至突出嗰啲菠菜味啊。
Could you use a salted fish soup base?
你喜歡呢個味道就可以用鹹魚啦。而家開大火
We'll turn the stove on high heat and add 4 cups of water.
如果你覺得佢係太多咁，你咪俾少啲水人多你咪俾多杯水落去，唔緊要OK， 跟住佢大火呢個湯好簡單嘅啫，就滾水俾啲豆腐上去。再俾啲菠菜上去，最收尾俾啲豬肉落去，差唔多滾啦。先俾油上去一個湯匙嘅油上去，咁好似咧就啲菠菜熟咗之後會青綠啲
Now we'll add tofu and carrot to the pot, then cover it with a lid.
咁啲豆腐煲滾之後咧，就再落菠菜
如果個豆腐已經煮熟，你點解要煲滾？
佢心係凍㗎嘛，你唔煲滾啲豆腐係心係凍㗎嘛，係咪？
When the contents of the pot are boiling, we'll add some salt.
好啦，而家滾啦，俾個茶匙鹽上去，半個茶匙鹽，煲下佢，嗰啲豆腐咧就入味啦。而家咧就俾埋啲菠菜上去，先俾頭先切咗嗰啲梗落去先
The stems take a bit longer to cook, so we're adding them to the pot first.
擺落去之後咧，再俾熱。
Spinach might be the last thing you think of with Chinese vegetables, but it's actually been a part of Chinese lore for centuries. It used to be a luxury item during the Tang Dynasty, imported from Persia as one of Nepal's tributes to the Chinese emperor. Adored by emperors and poets alike, spinach gradually became a regular vegetable for the masses. This dish, spinach and tofu, also has its own imperial legend. Emperor Qianlong, who loved to disguise himself and wander about to keep tabs on a city, once found himself lost and starving. He stumbled upon a farmer's house and, still in disguise, was served a simple dish of tofu and freshly picked spinach. When the emperor asked the farmer's wife what the dish was called, she replied,
金雙白玉板，紅嘴綠鷹哥.
This roughly translates to golden white jade and green parrot, which is probably the most beautiful way to describe this elegant soup disguised as your next 20-minute weeknight dinner. Now we'll use chopsticks to push the spinach down until they're fully submerged.
冚佢
啲菜冇滾咧，得唔得啊？
我諗呢個菜鑊冇滾就太軟啦。
得啦，冇滾嗰啲菜擺落去俾多落去都唔見嘅。
如果你冇都 OK 嘅
冇啦，冇滾咪冇滾咯。
喺西方啲
做沙律嗰啲，嗰啲好靚 baby 嚟㗎，但係我哋呢啲菠菜咧就呢啲就唔係嗰啲隻菠菜啦。
唔係 baby 菠菜啊。
Hi YouTube, how's it going? Thanks for watching.
After about a minute, we'll uncover the pot and start adding the marinated pork.
快脆滾啦，俾埋啲手肉上去咯，啲手肉唔好咁倒落去喎，用筷子整散佢上去落去。
Spread out the pork so the slices won't stick together and so they'll cook evenly.
我哋頭先落咗少少鹽上去睇佢夠唔夠味先我落少少，頭先落咗半個茶匙，再多半個茶匙如果你有雞粉嘅，就可以落少少雞粉上去嘅，俾一個茶匙，咁個湯咧就正好多啦。呢個係魚露嚟嘅，魚露調味啲湯咧係好香嘅，好甜嘅，一個茶匙好啦，唔使太多。好啦，閂火，最尾家先要保持 keep 得佢嘅鮮味啦，煲得耐咧佢就嗰個鮮味就去咗啦，係咪？跟少少麻油上去調佢。
To finish off the dish, we'll add a teaspoon of sesame oil. We have all of these ingredients listed on our blog at madewithlau.com, along with step-by-step instructions and video clips to guide you as you make the recipe at home.
Just done cooking. If you eat immediately, tofu can retain longer heat than the veggie. So when you eat, so little be careful. You can take a little time to taste the temperature before you start to swallow.
呢肉滑唔滑啊？
Yeah, thank you.
OK。 而家開始裝過個碗嗰度，將啲菜撈過嚟先。如果你唔係即刻食嘅啦，你要留起啲菜佢，好似啲菜咁，你擺時間長咧，佢就會變黃咗，就冇咁青綠噶啦嚇。因為而家倒啲湯過嚟，倒佢過嚟。好啊，朋友們，菠菜豆腐湯煮好咗啦，希望大家中意。紅堆、妹妹、豬豬弟弟落嚟食湯咯。
Cheers. Isn't that good?
Cheers.
Oh, Cameron, bow.
Oh, Maya
Bow.
loves it.
Bow.
Maya, are you done already?
YouTube thinks you'll like this recipe next. Let's see if they're right. A huge thank you to our wok stars and all of our chefs in the CANTO Cooking Club.